Hi there, Leah Steinkirch with Prowess Project, bringing you another technology tip this week. And that is how are we going to select the right project management tool for the projects that we have with new clients. So we want to make sure that we're setting ourselves up for success so that we look at all the aspects of what this client needs so that we can select not only the right tool, but the right methodology to set up that project. So first, we want to understand all the aspects of the business needs of this client. We want to get to know them and hear the pain points that they're having. Really look at what are all of the aspects of this project. How are they going to want to set this up, whether it's waterfall or an agile methodology? What do they need to make sure this project is successful? Next, we're going to look at how they want to use it. What is the interface that they want to be using? Are there certain things that they like, don't like? How do we want to make sure that they can use this tool as easily as possible with their entire team? Then we want to make sure that there are seamless integrations with the other tools that they already have. So in understanding this project, we'll want to know if we're connecting with other softwares, if there needs to be API components here. What are all the features that we need to select the right tool and bring in the right data? So next, we'll want to make sure that when we look at this, all those features for integration, all the features for the UI, what is in their budget, and how are we going to make sure that all of this, we get that return on investment for what we're setting up. And that includes your time and expertise too. We don't want to design something so complicated for our clients when they don't really need all of that. And then lastly, we're going to make sure we understand the security and compliance that this company needs, this client needs for their project. If we're working with someone who has proprietary information, we want to make sure that any kind of connections that we're setting up, or even team authorizations, who has access to what part of the data, all of that is set up in the proper hierarchy for their security and compliance. Then we'll want to make sure we get in there and test this, bring them back information, get feedback from their team to see if it's going to work before we develop the whole plan and write all those SOPs, making sure that this is going to work. So doing things like creating looms to show them different aspects that they've asked for, setting up, a way to move this bit by bit to make sure that we're getting what they need and that we're not spending too much time in the research, too much time in setup when it's not going to really meet what they're looking for. So making sure that our projects not only meet our clients' needs and budgets, but also all those intricacies of the project that they're working on and delivering that in a way that really meets their needs, their schedule, and our expertise. If you have other questions, please let us know. We'll bring you technology tips every week, but you can always find more in any of our social media channels. Join us in our Facebook community and let us know what other tech tutorials you're looking for. Thanks.